Welcome and thank you for watching. In this video I'll be creating a drawing of a wolf from the movie Rampage. Now this drawing was requested by Nightshade the Wolf, 1942. What a fantastic name. Nightshade the Wolf, 1942. I like that. Thank you very much for requesting this, Nightshade. Now this is going to be good fun, okay, because Rampage is a monster movie and I am a huge fan of monster movies. Now I haven't seen this movie, to be honest with you, but I have watched the trailer and it does look like a very entertaining movie full of amazing gigantic monsters. So I've marked that down on my watch list, must watch list, and I'll be watching that sometime at the weekend, I think. So here we go, enough of me babbling on. Let's get a move on with this drawing. Drawing the wolf from Rampage, the epic monster movie.